certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the reeds, and the nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turn and smile at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, Paul was a moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole damn world seemed upside down. That streets of town were pale with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up, all gold and blue, to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said that was a dream, or was it true? Our homeward step was just as light as the tap dancing feet of a star.